How to knit the loop stitch. Hi everyone, Norman here. This video was a request from one of my loyal subscribers on my Patreon account. Today I want to show you how to knit the loop stitch. Some people also call this the flokati stitch. It creates this voluminous fabric that almost looks like a towel or a carpet. Perfect for pillows, toys and other home decor. Let's show you how to knit it. You can knit the loop stitch with any number of stitches, just plan 2 selvage stitches. And then the repeat is super simple because it's just a 1 stitch repeat. So I'm going to knit my selvage stitch here and now we can place our first loop. So first you are going to knit 1 stitch as normal. But you need to keep this stitch here on the needle, and then you bring the yarn here to the front, and now you need to wrap it around your thumb like so, and then you need to bring the yarn back again and knit into the same stitch, the stitch that is still on your needles, 1 more time. Now you made an increase obviously, so you need to decrease again, and so you just do what you do when you bind off. So you just pass that stitch over. Let's show you how to do that 1 more time. So again, knit 1 stitch, then bring the yarn here to the front and wrap it once around your thumb and bring it all the way to the back again. And then knit into that stitch 1 more time. And then pass over. 1 more time. Knit. Wrap it around your thumb. Bring it back. Knit again. And pass over. So as you can see, it's fairly simple. There are a couple of variations. So first of all, you can knit, then you bring it to the front, but some people also wrap it here. It really depends on how you hold your knitting needle. Some people also wrap it here around their index finger, bring the yarn to the back and knit like that. So for me, this is very uncomfortable. But depending on how you hold your knitting needles, this might be easier for you. And then you can pass over again. So for me, pass over again. So for me, this isn't very nice, but maybe for you it is. Let's do that a couple of more times in slow motion. Now here are a couple of other variations I want you to be aware of. So instead of wrapping the yarn here around my thumb just once, you can also do it twice. So you simply twist the yarn around your thumb twice. Again, knit into the same stitch one more time, pass over, and then you will create a much longer loop. Let's do that one more time. So gather more yarn and twist it one more time here around your thumb, bring it to the back and knit it. Let go of this extra loop, pass over. Now some people actually want to use some scissors and cut open these loops later on. This obviously only works if you have a slightly fussy yarn. And in these cases you probably want a little bit of extra security. So in these cases you knit your loops like that. So again, you are creating your loop just like before, but now you don't pass these stitches over. Instead, you slip them here back to the left needle, and then you knit them together through the back loop. This will add another stitch here on top, and this will add a little bit more security. So just like before, you create your loops, but now you slip back and knit it together through the back loop. Okay, so like so. Here on the back you can clearly see that these two stitches here are slightly higher than this stitch, and ultimately this will mean that the gaps here, so you see all these little gaps here, these gaps between the individual loops will increase, so keep that in mind. Anyway, that's how to knit the loop stitch knitting pattern. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day!